In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a moderator on Discord, a process that takes just about 5 minutes, but can significantly impact your community's health and moderation. Let's start by going to Discord. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Discord's URL into the address bar, or by clicking on the Discord application if you have it downloaded on your computer or device. Discord's platform is designed for instant communication, so ensuring you're logged in is essential for the next steps. Once you've reached the Discord login page, you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure you input the email accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so type it in exactly as you set it up, paying attention to upper and lower case letters. After entering your credentials, it's time to click on the login button. If your details are correct, you'll be taken straight to Discord's home screen, where all your conversation magic happens. Discord's interface is user-friendly, but it's always good to familiarize yourself with where everything is if you're relatively new to the platform. Now that you're in, navigate to Discord Home if you're not automatically taken there. This is where you'll find a list of servers you're a part of on the left-hand side of your screen. For today's purpose, we're interested in one of these servers where you want to assign a new moderator. Click on the server. You'll notice each server is its own little community with text and voice channels. For setting a moderator, we need to dive a bit into the server settings, specifically into the roles section. Click on roles from the server settings menu. Discord roles are a powerful feature that allows you to assign permissions to different members of your server, effectively delegating different levels of access and control. Once you're in the roles section, you're ready to create a new role by clicking on create role. This is where the fun begins. You can name this role moderator or any name that fits your server's culture. Discord allows you to customize this role to fit the needs of your server, including the color of the role tag that appears next to users' names. Now, to the crux of the matter, configuring permissions for this role. This is an integral part because it determines what your new moderators will and won't be able to do. Think carefully about what powers you want to delegate. Common moderator permissions include managing messages, deleting or pinning messages, kicking and banning disruptive users, and moderating voice channels. However, you don't want to give away so much power that it could be misused. It's all about balance and trust. After setting up the permissions, save your new role. Congratulations, you've successfully created a moderator role. The next unsaid step is assigning this role to a trusted member or members of your server. To do this, simply go to your server's member list, right-click on the member you wish to make a moderator, select roles, and then click on the moderator role you've just created. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making someone a moderator on Discord. This process not only helps in managing your server more efficiently, but also in maintaining a safe and welcoming environment for all members. Remember, the key to a successful community is active and fair moderation, so choose your moderators wisely. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Your support helps keep this channel going. See you in the next video.